when I went and saw him, he was pretty straight off the bat sure that I would grow my hair back. He did mention that lifestyle changes are important, and that's the bit that I really liked, because it's put some of the responsibility back onto you.
Yeah.
Things like, having adequate protein intake throughout the day, doing things like training yourself and doing some exercise throughout the day. All these things in combination with each other make a healthier individual.
Yeah.
So when I started putting these things in practice, like consuming a lot more protein in the morning throughout the day while taking the medication, it just seems to really accelerate the whole process. And I feel like I got the bulk of my results in about 4 to 5 months with me personally.
Yeah.
I feel like maybe if I didn't have such a drive to do all the other things that Dr. Ray sort of mentioned, like diet and sleep and lifestyle and all these changes that I made, I feel like it would have taken definitely longer. So absolutely, the lifestyle aspect of the whole program is definitely important, but it should be important to most people out there that are suffering with any degree of, sort of medical issue, whether it's a cosmetic issue. Like Race put it when we spoke, hair loss is just a symptom of something else in your body really going wrong.